Hi, Brian here from Cars Tillsonburg. Here with our fresh from the machine shop 396, assembled by Doug Garvey at Crush Our Machine. Doug's their engine assembly man up there. Did a wonderful job assembling this. A lot of attention to detail. Doug is very good at what he does. They did the paint and finished work on it. It's original 396 board 30 thou over. It'll be a little north of 400 cubic inch now. We put 10.5 to 1 compression ratio pistons in it. That's about a 0.25 up from the original. We put a full updated hydraulic roller valve train in it. We got roller rockers, new push rods, roller lifters, billet roller camshaft. Put it together with the original GM aluminum high-rise Winter's Foundry intake manifold with the 780 Holley vacuum secondaries carburetor on it. We have a complete new ignition system for it. We have also got, we're venturing from the original cast iron manifolds, exhaust manifolds, and going with a set of headers. Originally, it was a L34 production order on these engines. They were 350 horsepower from the factory. We do expect this one to be just a shade more than 350 horse. We'll nestle in the frame next and bolt everything up. Actually, we'll fire it up right in the frame with the exhaust and everything on it the way it's going to be, and before we send it out to have the body put back on it, because the body's being taken care of right now. So the next time you see this engine, she'll be making some really sweet music. Any of you guys that remember these cars from the 60s and 70s on the, around the drive-in, they come loping around there, and the sound was just music to the ears. So we hope to be bringing that to you real soon. So again, can hardly wait till this gets in the frame. So again, thanks for listening, and we'll see you soon.